Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 7. Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Right? Let us find the perimeter of the triangle. Right? Let us find the perimeter of the triangle. That is, a triangle is there. If we draw a triangle like this, one is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, one is 14 centimeter and another is 15 centimeter. That means if we find the perimeter of this triangle, then the sum of all the sides, right? That means perimeter of this triangle, we find the perimeter of the triangle, perimeter of the triangle of the triangle, perimeter of the triangle perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all the sides, that is 10 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 14 10 plus 14 plus 15, right? That is 10 plus 14 plus 15. 15 centimeter. Therefore, if we add this number, then we are getting 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And it is 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. That is 39 centimeter. 39 centimeter. Right, here you find the perimeter of the triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. That means perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the sides, that is 10 plus 14 plus 15. 5 plus 4 9, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. That is, therefore the perimeter of the triangle is 39 centimeter.